just love tucking in a bunch of stuff into my pants.
Alexis Sunshine 83, it's always sunny here. Boop.
Hey Sunshiners, Alexis Sunshine 83 here. Hello, hello, happy sunny day. What is up? Now, you may be looking at my outfit right now and being like, wow, she is such a fashionista. How does she do it? Well, today I'm going to be sharing some of my secrets on how to put together an outfit. Because whenever I'm putting together an outfit for just like living or for YouTube videos, I have very specific kind of things in my mind of kind of my intention with the specific outfit, and I figured I would make a video about that. So I have a couple different like fashion scenarios or like fashion pieces that may be in your wardrobe that you don't really know how to style and kind of get your fashion creativity juices flowing. And I feel like when you put on an outfit and it just has like so many different elements and just like a purpose with those elements, it makes you feel confident. It makes you feel like you take on the day. So let's get into it. Or I guess out of my clothing. Let's get out of my clothing to get into it. That didn't make any sense. I was just trying to figure out a funny way to transition this next part. Okay, first we're starting simple, we're starting basic, we're starting with the white t-shirt and the blue jeans, which I feel like everyone probably has this in their closet, and I feel like it's honestly kind of underrated. Personally, a white t-shirt and blue jeans is like my go-to when, number one, I want to look like I have my life together, but like don't want to put in too much work, or number two, I'm going into a scenario where I'm really nervous and I kind of want to have like an outfit that's more of a blank canvas, but of course we're gonna do things to kind of spruce it up a bit. Which, before we actually get into the styling of this, I just want to mention when it comes to something like this, there are a lot of like variations that you can make. So when we are talking about the white t-shirt, this one's kind of like a firm material, but you can always go for maybe like a fitted white t-shirt. Maybe it's a softer material. I know with that kind of material, it's a little bit easier to tuck in. So if that's something that you want to do, which we will get into, trust me, I'm definitely gonna tuck all this fabric in. Maybe you don't want to tuck in your white t-shirt, so instead you can go for just a white crop top. It still gets the whole like white t-shirt and jeans type of look. The same thing goes with jeans. So these jeans are like my favorite like go-to straight leg jeans, but depending on your jean preference, you can go for a darker wash denim, or you can even go for a completely different style. Like, it's not like, oh, you have to wear straight leg jeans to create this look. You can go for boot cut or flare jeans. So obviously, depending on what your comfortability is and kind of the silhouette that you want to go for, you can kind of choose any of those, and that's kind of like the base of our outfit. Which now, obviously, I'm gonna tuck in this t-shirt. I don't really like the way that it looks when it's not tucked in. I just love tucking in a bunch of stuff into my pants. I love tucking in fabric into my pants. I don't know how to say the sentence without it sounding weird. But anyway, I'm just tucking in the white t-shirt just to make it a little bit more smooth. And because the outfit is so simple, I think it's a great opportunity for a belt, which I'm going with this brown, not super thin belt, which definitely does make a difference. I have like 3 different sizes, I would say, in belts. I have this one that's a medium, I have a smaller one, and then I have a thicker one. In this case, I want the belt to like have its moment, but not take over the outfit. So that's why I'm going for the middle one. If I went for the bigger one, I just think it would be way too bulky in my waist area. Now that it's all belted, we're gonna just pull a little bit of fabric, not a bunch, but like a good amount. And it also helps kind of smooth out any type of like bulging effects. And when it comes to jewelry with this specific outfit, I like to go for just something simple. So I have my Ana Luisa sun necklace. I think it's perfect because, number one, it's gold and matches the belt, but then it also has like some personality. Again, we're going for a very blank slate, so I want something to kind of like, oh, she likes suns, she's happy. Mwah. Now with shoes, again, you can go in so many different ways. I personally would gravitate just going with some Doc Martens. These ones are platform ones, which I think gives a really good like solid ground to the outfit. Like, it grounds the outfit, if that makes sense. I like to go with just some white socks, again, because then you see it like poking through my shoes, and I just think it looks really cool. Again, this is kind of my go-to. I'm sure you've seen it in multiple videos, but it just like always does the job. If chunky black boots are kind of just weighing the outfit way too down, you can always go just with some white sneakers. It definitely keeps it more casual. Or you can go a little bit more classic by going with some heels. I think specifically white heels keep it casual. Going with like black blocky heels or like too high heels just doesn't make sense with the outfit. Whereas if you go with kind of like a casual white heel, number one, it will be more comfortable, and number two, I think it adds a little bit more of a put together kind of look, and obviously depends on your style and what way you want to go. Next is the full black monochrome look, because this is an outfit that I definitely put a lot of thinking into when it comes to wearing even just all one color, but especially black, because whether it's just in general like living your life or like with photos, your body gets really lost. So kind of my first advice when it comes to going for a full black outfit is think about the textures, especially if it is all just kind of like one color. You know how there's like wash black and like charcoal. If we're talking about all of the same shade, then try to go for different textures. Go with faux leather pant or a velvet black button up, which I'm gonna put together two different outfits to kind of get my point across. Of course, I'm doing the leather pants first, which these are faux leather pants. I ended up pairing these pants, obviously, with this cropped sweater. The textures are so different that they kind of like stand out on their own. I'm not gonna go too crazy with styling because I kind of want this to be like a cool girl look, but I did just want to definitely pair a jacket with this. I'm going with this black denim jacket. It's kind of like a worn black. So again, the sweater kind of pops out. I feel like it's not really gonna show on video, but I'm telling you, it definitely does. When it goes to accessories, I just decided to go with a gold chain just because I thought it was kind of fun. And then I would normally go with some like boots, but because the material is going to be kind of like a leather, it's going to be kind of shiny and then blend in with the pants. So instead I'm going with these black high top Converse. They have a very like similar look to then the denim jacket, which they are on two different parts of the body, so they will continue to have their moment. I haven't worn these in a while, so I was just making sure there's no spiders in them. So yeah, all together we have this full black monochrome outfit, and I just feel really cool. Honestly, going with a full black outfit is so just like confidence building. I don't know, maybe just me because I sweat a lot, and so if I'm wearing all black, I know people can't see my sweaty armpits. There's a lot of the things that I just said with the other outfit also go with this outfit. I figured I would like already kind of put it on, which in this I'm wearing some black jeans and then a black sweater, very similar. I mean, the other one I was wearing a sweater vest, so like kind of the same idea, but I wanted to go with some black jeans just because I think more people would own that versus leather pants. But I did just want to introduce a belt, which is also black, but the like front part is gold, so it's still gonna kind of like pop out. And I also paired this outfit with a little like gold chain. Honestly, when in doubt, just put a gold like simple thin chain. For shoes, I decided to bring the big boys out, these platform Docs. Ooh, look at me, woo. And then of course I have my black blazer. Yeah, I just feel like that completely completes the look. I think you could honestly just wear like full on black every single day and have the outfit still be interesting and different. Moving on to an item of clothing that's maybe a little bit more fun is wild pants. I'm categorizing this as like a wild pattern, whether it's really colorful or just kind of like really in your face, because I feel like there's a couple different ways that you can like approach it. The first way is letting the pant be kind of like that statement piece. So you're going for a neutral or just like simple top. Obviously the pants are the statement, they're shiny, they're sparkly, and they're lime green. And so again, yeah, just put a white little tank top and then just some black boots. I feel like this is the perfect outfit for when you literally just cannot be bothered, because you don't really have to do too much. I mean, the pants are literally it. Whereas if you want the outfit to be a little bit more cohesive, you can go with a pattern pant and then take maybe a color in those pants and match it with your top. Obviously this depends on like if you own anything with the same color, but I think even if the pant is like black and white and you put a black t-shirt, like it goes because there's black in the pants. So in this case I have these blue gingham pants, and I happen to own like literally a blue tank top that matches so perfectly. And then I just kept it simple with the shoes, just because with this color being a pastel, I felt like it needed to be a little bit like airy and light. Also, this is just like an added bonus. I didn't even plan this when I was thinking about this outfit, but I was like, oh my god, like this jacket is literally like the same color. I mean, look how absolutely put together this outfit looks. But now on to the next one, which I think is perfect because I realize I've only been talking about pants, which is a black skirt. Now this can be any type of black skirt. I'm personally choosing a black tennis skirt just because I feel like it's more versatile of what I can create. I think my first advice when it comes to styling a skirt, especially a black skirt, is have fun with it. When I first got into skirts, I thought I could only go really simple. Like I either had to just wear all black with it or just like a white t-shirt and that was it. And it was because I was just kind of insecure about wearing a skirt. I had never really worn a skirt very frequently. So as I'm getting more into them, I'm like, oh yeah, I can have fun with the styling. So going with this top, it's a peplum top, but the skirt's gonna kind of cover the peplum. Going with the gingham pattern keeps the outfit interesting because obviously it's a pattern. Honestly, sometimes when I'm explaining like clothing pieces, I'm just like, I'm basically telling you what you're already seeing. So I apologize if what I say doesn't make any sense, but anyway, so I decided to take out this green cardigan just because I think with the gingham, it looks super fun. And I think pastels are just a nice like addition to any outfit. And then because of course skirts still make me a little bit insecure, I'm going with some boots that are comfortable and make me feel confident. And then because we already have the pastel in the cardigan, I figured it would be fun to add a like pastel jewelry piece. Cute! I love this outfit. Oh my gosh, I've never put this outfit together before, but I'm really digging it and I definitely will be wearing it. Of course, you can put a t-shirt with a skirt. Like there's no rules about not doing that or anything, but I just want to show another way that you could style a skirt by putting it with pastels and patterns, but still keeping it like not too crazy. Taking a different turn from this are neutrals. Now, styling neutrals in an outfit has been something that I never really honestly gravitated towards, especially like tans and beiges, but lately I've been really into it and I feel like it gives the same idea as the full monochrome black look, but I usually like to take it in more of a professional looking route. Don't worry, I'm gonna like fix all of this. Obviously, we're starting with this base, which is, you know, a good cappuccino. Like I look at these colors and I'm like, it reminds me of a cappuccino. I am going to add a sweater vest. Honestly, when in doubt, add a sweater vest. Like it's definitely a new staple in my wardrobe just because if you are wanting to add something fun to this outfit, of course you can leave it how it is. You can just put a sweater vest on it and like you're good to go, especially as we are going into winter with like layering. And it's like, you've added a pattern, but like not too crazy. Okay, it's a little bit bulgy, it's a little bit bulky, so we are going to add a belt, which I'm going with this light, like cream colored belt. Again, I think it goes with it, but it's going to, number one, kind of like bring it all in together, but definitely break apart the different like elements to the outfit. If I can get it in there. Is this belt too big? No! Okay, I'm gonna change the pants to another pair of tan pants. Give me a sec. Okay, new pants are on. Unfortunately, it doesn't really like give exactly what I wanted it to give, but it has to be done because I really want to wear this belt. And I mean, it does go with the sweater vest a little bit more, so maybe it makes the outfit make more sense. Okay, wow, does this not look absolutely amazing? And then again, going just with some tan boots to really keep to the tan theme. Again, I feel like these boots actually go with the turtleneck that I'm wearing. So it's like the pants go with the sweater vest and the shoes go with the turtleneck. I feel like this is also perfect, again, for somebody that maybe doesn't like to accessorize a lot. You can really focus on the clothing pieces and how you can like make them make sense together and kind of like have that be like the star of the show versus like going for a bunch of like necklaces. I could go with this gold necklace again. I think actually that would be really fun. So yeah, that does look really cute. Yeah, here's this outfit of how to style neutrals together, or maybe just tan. Maybe I should change the name of this because it's literally just like all tan. The next one is how to put together an outfit with platform boots. And I mean, this could be any type of platform that you own, but I figured going with these platform boots, which seem to be a fan favorite. You guys always ask me about them, which they are the Demonia Shaker 100s. I got them on Poshmark, but yes, they are a lot. Like when it comes to the height and also just the statement of them, I feel like they can be a little bit scary. And again, this can go for any type of platform shoe that you own. I think having them have their moment is like the way to go. Obviously you could put like platform boots that are maybe a little bit shorter just with some jeans, and that would be like a great outfit. But especially higher boots, like they kind of just deserve their moment. So I usually will style them with a dress or a skirt, and personally I think they look the best with tights. I kind of wanted to, I think, go more for a fall route with this look, which I'm going to show maybe a more like casual look in just a second with these boots. But I feel like fall time is like, this is where they shine. And so I went with a red skirt and then this like patterned black and white top. And then obviously I just felt like I had to add a leather blazer, because without it, like, yes, this totally works, but I feel like the leather blazer adds the edge that it deserves. I feel like putting the black tights is probably the easiest way to style these boots because they don't seem as intense with black tights. For the more casual look, obviously I went with a denim skirt. This one's a little bit longer, so even though I'm showing my bare legs, it's not really showing that much. And then I just went really simple on the top with a black crew neck and then kind of like beige turtleneck. And this is an outfit I would wear just like normally with some sneakers, but putting them with the boots just like adds that extra flair. And then also because I'm just wearing a crew neck, which is so comfy and basically is what I live in during fall time, it makes it look like I put a little bit more effort because of the boots. I feel like going with platform boots with any outfit naturally like brings it up a notch. Alrighty, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys would like to see a part 2, because there were a bunch of other ones that I had thought of, but I was like, oh my gosh, this video is gonna be so long because I could literally talk about clothes for like hours. Let me know in the comments if there's a specific clothing item that you're having trouble with styling, and I would love to include it. And of course, if you'd like to see my face again, then make sure to subscribe right down below and hit that little bell to be notified every time I make a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram @sunshine83 to keep up to date with me during the week. I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you have a super sunny day. Enjoy life, be happy, and I love you lots. Bye!